Let's get started. In today's session, we'll understand the concept of backups. It's a continuity of architecture class, previous sessions. Let's get started. Backups, a mechanism to create standby copy of the database in a file format. These backup files have extension BAK or TRN. So main purpose of backups to define a standby copy. Main purpose of backups to define a standby copy, just like a Xerox copy of the database. Here we can perform backup at complete database level and we can perform backup at individual file group level or at the file level also. I repeat again, complete database can be backed up or particular file group can be backed up. Okay, next. Or individual file can be backed up. Okay, next. With this information, here complete database can be backed up. We call it as full backup. Complete database means data file, log file, both are involved in backup. Differential, all changes since latest full backup are involved. Assume full backup at 12 AM, differential at 2 AM. Differential backup contains all changes from 12 to 2. Assume one more differential at 4 AM. Then differential backup at 4 AM contains all changes from 12 to 4. Log backup, all contents from log file are involved in backup. Okay, all contents from log file are involved in backup. Okay, next. Then we are going to practice copy only backup. Remember, log backup truncation occurs. Truncate means to clean the log file. Then copy only backup, a special type of full backup that is not a base for remaining differential and log. For replication, migrations, etc., we have copy only backups. Mirror backup. Backup is mirrored to multiple locations. Example, backup to a drive and also to a tape. Partial backup. Backup performed on read-write file groups of the database. Read-only file groups are skipped away. This is called partial backup. So we have full, differential, log, copy only, mirror and partial backup. Let's see how to perform this activity. During backup, we have various options. We can backup at user interface level or script level. Let's see both. But script is always a better option. Let's see. I launch SSMS. Take any database of your choice. Right click database, tasks, backup. Okay, right click database, tasks, backup. And we need to specify the location of backup. Click add E colon or any location. Specify the type of backup like this. Specify the type of backup. Click script. Okay, you get the backup like this. I repeat, right click database, tasks. Click on backup. Okay, earlier full means complete database is involved in backup. Differential means only changes since latest full backup. Here we can have backup of entire database or individual files and file groups like primary file group, primary file, etc. And other one we have log backup. Same concept, right click database, tasks, backup and log. Add backup log.trn. Remember, we need to specify the backup file path with extension trn. When performing any backup, we have media options. Either we can overwrite, or append. Append or overwrite, anything. Okay, so here we go. Append means the existing backup file and the new backup content will be appended to each other, just like adding a new paragraph to existing Word document, something like that. And other one, overwrite, meaning clean the old content and get the new content. That is overwrite. We have verify backup. When backup is completed, you would like to verify. Perform checksum. Checksum means like automatic error detection and automatic error correction. Detect the errors and correct them. Then we have continue on error. Mean even though there is an error message, even though there is an error during backup, still you would like to continue the remaining part of your backup. Okay, we call it as continue on error. Next, click on script. Okay, next, click OK. Click OK like this. Then we have other one. We can perform through script also. Very simple. Come on, how to perform backup through user interface? Let's recap again. Hope you are writing your observation notes. Fine. Fine. Let's continue. Let's see how to perform backup. Assume a database called bank database. Just wait. Fine. Let's continue then. Here it is. This is the script. Okay. Backup database name. To disk equal to location. Here it is full backup. See here backup database name to location. Format means to override. Okay, next. differential. Backup database to disk equal to location format comma differential. Okay, here we go. Then log backup log database with format. Remember, differential means only changes since latest back. And then we have log backup with format. Partial backup. What is partial backup? Few minutes back. Here it is. Backup performance read write file groups of the database. Okay, next. Okay, then next. Partial backup. Backup performance read write file group of the database. So here it is. Only read write file groups will be backed up. That is called partial backup. It's a keyword. Okay, remember this. Mirror backup. Mirror backup means backup one copy to E drive and other copy to, for example, D drive, like this. Backup to different drives. One copy to E drive, one copy to D drive. Okay, next. Then we have split backup. Backup database name to disk equal to location 1, and again disk equal to location 2. So first part goes to, or 50% of the database goes to first backup. Remaining 50% goes to second backup. Observe carefully. Okay, next. What we are learning here? We are understanding how to perform backup of a particular database. Later classes we are going to understand how to schedule these backups. I repeat again, full backup. Full backup. Purpose of this full backup: complete database is involved. Okay, next. Then we have differential. Okay, next. Differential. All changes from latest full. Log backup. Backup log database name to disk equal to location. Okay, backup log database name to disk equal to location. Then partial backup. Backup database name to disk equal to the required location. So remember, read write file groups is the keyword. Then we have mirror backup. Mirror means like duplicate copy. Same way split backup. Split backup means we divide the content. It's like a divisional copy. We divide the content into different parts. Okay, with this information. So what we learned so far, we understood how to perform different types of backups. Any questions here, let me know. I'll wait.
So we can't back up the entire server.
Oh, no, sir, no. Only individual databases we can back up.
Then do differential backup, how do it know if I first run the command like full backup and after 2 days if I run the backup database differential backup, then will it detect the changes from full backup or do we need to specify some points?
No, we'll discuss the audits next. System can automatically identify the latest full backup that occurred in the past, and only the changes will be backed up automatically.
Okay, sir.
Here it is. Every backup we perform is automatically recorded in MSDB. You remember everyone? There is one system database called MSDB. Yep. Okay. Please refer to the initial classes installation. Okay, you have the installation notes with you, right? Please see if we can go through that installation notes carefully. And there you come across some information about system databases. There you see one of them MSDB. That MSDB will record every backup information. So whatever backups you perform are here in this backup set system table. Contains an entry for every backup we perform on the server. For every backup we perform on the server. Okay. And media family contains an entry for every backup location and its physical path. Every backup location and its physical path. Next. Let's see. From backup set, you don't want all columns. You don't want all columns. Then you can take only particular columns here. You can take only particular columns. Okay, here we go. You don't want to take all columns. You can take only particular columns. One important thing, type. D means full backup, L means log backup, and I means differential. P is partial backup. Same way we have file backup, and G, file group backup. These are fixed predefined types. From here, we can join these two tables, filter for whichever backup type you want. How to audit latest full backup? Full backup means type equal to D for a particular database called bank database. So select from backup set, inner join backup media family. You don't want star, you can give individual columns where type equal to D and database name is equal to that bank database. It gives you list of all backups. I want latest backup, top, right? Remember earlier classes, we learned something called top offset. We got those information earlier classes. So you want top or latest full backup. So top, then order by backup finish date in descending order gives you the latest full backup. When it occurred, let's see. You would like to know the time also. You see the backup time. There is no user interface for backups. We need to specify the audit activities through queries only. Now see here your latest full. Same way to get the latest differential I gives you latest differential backup. Same way L means log back. So full differential log. Observe carefully. Well, so what we learned so far? We learned two ways to perform backup. One is through user interface. Other one is through script. And we also learned something called backup audits. Any questions here? Let me know. I'll wait.
So when you take a user databases backup, does it also include the system databases backup in it, or we have to take that
Oh
separately?
no, we have to take it manually. We'll see.
Ah,
There is something called maintenance plans. We
ah.
can do. Yeah. You have to take it manually. Well, with this information, we'll do this way. We'll stop here for today. I want you to first complete the practice of today's class. Tomorrow, we need to have two things: restores and something called maintenance plans for system database, user database, multi-database schedules. Bit lengthy class tomorrow. We need to do them in a stretch. Let's meet 15 minutes early tomorrow, 6:15 a.m. Tomorrow's class we are meeting 6:15 a.m. and make sure you practice. Sorry, not 6:15, 6 a.m. Okay, 15 minutes early, 6 a.m. we are meeting tomorrow. Please help me complete all the practice. Respond to my questions, please. Meeting tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day. And any further questions, clarifications, please do WhatsApp me or mail. Tomorrow we are going to have restores, maintenance plans, and mock test on today's class. Will do. Please practice the things thoroughly, please. Emails and please check.